by one, manual transmissions are being replaced by automatics and DCTs. Not because drivers asked for it, but because the industry decided faster is better than fun. And of course, they're more efficient. So today, we're celebrating the 10 fastest manual transmission American cars ever made, because few things in life beat a brutal launch with your own left foot involved. Let's get into it. Number 10. The Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. Starting off the list is a modern marvel, the 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. With 688 horsepower from a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 and a real 6-speed manual, it hit 60 in just 3.6 seconds. It's not just fast, it's the only American sedan you can buy with a manual in 2025. A dying breed and a proper driver's car that proves Cadillac hasn't forgotten how to have fun. Number 9. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Next up, a legend. The 2014 Shelby GT500, the last one Carroll Shelby ever signed off on. With a 5.8-liter supercharged V8, making 662 horsepower, this Mustang hammers its way to 60 in 3.5 seconds. And yes, it was one of Shelby's wishes to see a Mustang hit 200 miles per hour. Ford says it did. Either way, it's loud, raw, and one of the most powerful stick-shift Mustangs ever made. Number 8. Saleen S7 Twin Turbo. The Saleen S7 Twin Turbo isn't just a supercar. It's one of the most iconic American supercars of the 2000s. 750 horsepower from a 7-liter twin-turbo V8, a carbon fiber body, and a 0 to 60 time of 3.4 seconds. Oh, and a top speed of 248 miles per hour. Built in a time when nobody expected this from America, it proved it could go toe-to-toe with the best from Europe. Number 7. C6 Corvette ZR1. The C6 ZR1 brought back a legendary name with a vengeance. Its 6.2-liter supercharged V8 made 638 horsepower, and it hit 60 in 3.4 seconds, faster than a Lamborghini Murcielago. And much like the Lambo, you could row your own gears with a 6-speed stick and still hit 212 miles per hour. Number 6. The Rossion Q1. If you've never heard of the Rossion Q1, you're not alone. Built off the Noble M400 platform, this obscure American exotic packs a Ford-sourced 3-liter twin-turbo V6 and runs 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. It may not have the fame of a Corvette, but it's just as fast, and even rarer. Number 5. Dodge Viper ACR. The venomous, no-nonsense track weapon. An 8.4-liter V10 with 645 horsepower, a 6-speed manual, and enough downforce to glue it to the pavement. 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, and it still holds multiple track records, including at Laguna Seca and the Nürburgring. This was Mopar's final boss. Number 4. 2005 Ford GT. The 2005 Ford GT wasn't just a car, it was a love letter to Le Mans. Powered by a 5.4-liter supercharged V8, this GT blasted to 60 in 3.3 seconds, topping out at 205 miles per hour. And yes, you shifted it yourself. A rare combo of heritage, performance, and manual purity. Number 3. The C7 Corvette ZR1. We got another Corvette on this list. The C7 ZR1 was the final form of the front-engine Corvette. And what a send-off it was. A monstrous 755 horsepower, a 7-speed manual, and 3-second 0 to 60 launches. It defied physics, broke lap records, and proved GM still had some madness left in them. Number 2. SSC Ultimate Aero TT. The SSC Ultimate Aero TT didn't just break records, it shattered them. With 1,180 horsepower from a twin-turbo LS-based V8, it hit 60 in 2.78 seconds and topped out at 255 miles per hour, becoming the world's fastest production car in 2007. Oh, and of course, you still had to shift it by hand. And last but not least, number 1. The Hennessey Venom GT. The Hennessey Venom GT is a special one. Built on a Lotus chassis, but with an American engine. A 7-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing 1,244 horsepower, 2.4 seconds to 60, and a verified 270 miles per hour top speed. It's the fastest manual transmission American car ever, and still hasn't been beaten more than a decade later. These cars are proof that there's still a market for manual transmissions, and that there's still some spirit in metal, displacement, and of course, a clutch pedal. Drop a comment and let us know which one you drive, or build a garage with your top 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching, and keep those shifts tight.